Let's do this!
Hey everybody, welcome to our latest listing, 288 Sumach Drive in Aldershot, Ontario. This is a 3,000 square foot custom built house on an oversized lot that features 4 bedrooms upstairs, a primary on the main floor with its own ensuite, open concept living, and a fully finished basement with another bedroom there. This is a perfect home for those who are looking for the country type vibe where you have privacy everywhere, but you're right in the city with all the amenities that we love. So let's take a peek.
Let's do this! Let's do this! Let's do this! Can you feel the fire running through your veins? Now you're burning brighter. Don't look away. Shout out to the legends, rising from the wreckage. Count down the seconds. It's out to engines. Let's do this.